Fashionistas and Divo, it's your girl Domestic JA, otherwise known as Shakira, here on YouTube, coming to you guys with this new series that I'm gonna call The Real. The Real meaning I'm gonna tell you what's the real, what's really going on in any aspect, whether it's sex, education, fashion, pop culture, whatever it is. So the first one in the series, which is going to be talking about online boutiques and all the dresses that you see on Instagram and stuff, and cute, sexy, fashionable dresses with the cutouts and everything. But the thing is, with these online boutiques nowadays, they are getting all their clothes and stuff from AliExpress and then doubling the price and selling it to you guys for $65, $50 when it's $10, $12 on AliExpress. And the only difference is it takes longer to get to you when you order off AliExpress than when you order on these online boutiques, because they have everything shipped to them in bulks, so it's easier for them to ship out stuff. For me, I would much rather wait on my stuff and pay less money than to get overcharged for something that really costs $10, $20 and they're selling it for $65, $70. So I have a few of the dresses that I see on Instagram a lot that I bought off AliExpress, and most of them cost between $10 and $12. And this is the first one right here. It has a cutout in the front like this, and it has a cutout in the back. As you can see, if you follow a lot of people, reality show people, this dress is very popular. And Erica Mena from Love and Hip Hop New York actually wore this on her birthday, but her one was in purple, and she said she got it from some online boutique, which it cost $65 for it, or $100 something like that. This is the second dress that I got, and this is the front, and it's just one sleeved with a deep plunging back, and the color is it's a baby pink color. The other one, the first one that I showed you, is like a hot pink, fuchsia pink, and then this is the third and final one, and it's just a double sleeve with cutouts at the back. So I saw these pictures on Instagram of some dresses and skirts and stuff, and they cost $65, and all the dresses and stuff that I seen in these pictures on Instagram were in my AliExpress cart, and I had 5 of them, and 5 of the dresses and skirts and different things came to $65. And on Instagram, the girl that was in charge of the online boutique was selling one for $65. I was like, wow. I'm happy that I know what's going on as far as online boutiques and stuff, because even well-known online boutiques that a lot of gurus on here talk about or purchase stuff from, they get their stuff from AliExpress. And if you follow them on IG or you go on AliExpress and look for dresses and stuff, you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna link where I got my dresses from down below, so if you want to check them out or buy a dress or whatever, you can do that. So it's Shakira, and that's The Real on online boutiques. Bye.